like to share. Yeah, this one. So I will share this in the chat also. The team will do so. Okay, I will share it in the LMS also. But this is something that I've prepared for everyone, which is a guidebook. All the AI tools that I will be talking about today, all the AI tool name are there. What is it used for? Then I have given each AI tool with details. The link of the AI tool, whether it is free, freemium, how can you use it, what is the use cases that you can implement in that AI tool, and some for quick prompts that you can give to this AI, and few details that you can integrate immediately. Will it be helpful for everyone? Yes, yes, okay. Happy everyone now? Yes, a lot. Okay. Pradeep is saying no. It won't be helpful for you? Very much. Okay, okay, great. Definitely, yes, a lot. Yes, a lot. Okay. All right, so this is something that I'll share with everyone, so don't worry about the links, okay? Now, let's come to the AI tool of the day. First AI tool of the day, and we have so many AI tools to learn today, so everyone buckle up. Don't go back from the tab that you are in, or else you'll lose the network connection, and just listen to what I'm saying. Maybe do this along with me from another device and just see what I'm doing. It's very easy, very simple, and all the AI tools are designed to reduce the workload of all our teachers, trainers, learners, educators, everyone. Okay, now can anyone give me a quick topic that I can make a lesson plan on? Garima, Naveen, Piyush. Okay. Now everyone quickly give me some topics that I can make a lesson plan on. Come on, quickly. Can we make your PPT? Can we make your PPT? Oh, the PPT that I made for you guys, I used Claude for that. Okay, currently we're making a lesson plan. So let's stick to something which is catered to the education industry. Okay, yes, of course, we can make a PPT on AI in education. If you want that, I can show you. NEET exam, renewable, non renewable energy, okay, about HR, logistics, AI and cybersecurity. Okay, you were saying photosynthesis. You know, this AI tool is very cute, and it is mostly used for small kids and learners who are of less age, because for them studying from a boring textbook becomes very difficult. They want visuals, they want fun elements, they want to practice more. So this AI tool is specifically catered for small kids. So maybe we can choose a topic which are catering to small kids. Can be body parts. Say someone said body parts, can we make one with human heart, right? Or something with like the body part of human being, because that is very difficult for small children to learn. And I think when I was also a kid, it was the most big disaster or nightmare, I can say, for me. Eyes, okay, eyes also. Let's take human heart for now. You guys can choose maybe some other topic. For now I'm choosing human heart. Okay, I will just type human heart and I'll click on create lesson plan. Okay, all right. So now we have to select which grade we are using it for. HR, yes, Kanchana, we can do for HR. So, okay, we are going to talk about a lot of AI tools, right? I will cater to each and every topics, okay? Be it for small kids, for anyone appearing for any competitive exam, or just someone who wants to learn and teach. Okay? Now, human heart, I think it is for fifth, sixth grade, right? How many slides do I want? 8 slides is okay. Any specific instruction? So here you can maybe define the curriculum, okay, or you can maybe define what are the use cases. So I want my lesson plan to be heavy on visuals, because children love visuals, so I want visuals here. Okay, visuals, heavy on visuals, right? Wait, heavy on visuals. What else can I write? Can anyone give me some ideas? What else can I write? I want a lot of visuals in it. Labelings, yes. What else? Quizzes, okay. I think spelling is wrong. Okay, let's continue. Now, so it's a free tool, okay? Free or freemium, it's a free tool to at least make the lesson plan. Now, if you want to align it to an institutional curriculum, you can use the pro version. I always use the free version because it is 100% accurate and perfect. So just write learning objectives here and then click on continue. Okay. Okay, it has very cute themes. Now tell me, which theme should I choose for human heart? Simple words, yes. Which theme should I choose for human heart? Whichever theme you guys tell me, I'll choose. Okay. Orbit. Where is orbit? Okay, orbit. Okay. But is a human heart related to orbit? Maybe we can choose something with science. Do we have science? Yes, we do have science. We have maths also. Okay. We have this rust red also. What if we use red for human heart? Rust, forest, coastal, okay. Fuji, okay. Doodle, coastal. Where is coastal? Can't see coastal. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, coastal. All right. Let's see which is the most fun one. Okay, maybe doodle. Can we use doodle? Okay. All right. I know it will be very funky because I can see a lot of doodles here. We can change the theme later also. That's the main part. If we don't like it, it's okay. We don't have to make it from scratch. Now we'll wait for some time for the PPT to be done. Okay. Let's see. Is everyone excited to see? Is everyone excited to see how the lesson plan will turn out? I can already see I don't like the theme at all. Doodle is not matching with the human heart theme. I should have chosen the red one. Okay, once the content will be complete, we'll change the theme. Okay, guys. Okay. You guys want to change the theme, right? I was dropped by the B10 server. What did I miss? You did not miss anything. So we are talking about Chalky, which is a AI tool for lesson plans. Now we have made a lesson plan for human heart. Let's choose science. I think this is a science topic, so this one deserves a science theme. Now, are you guys able to see? See, you wanted visuals, right? This is the rhythm of life. Can you feel it? So this is the human heart, the learning goals. Now see, isn't this great? So children have so many issues with understanding the human heart, artery, veins, and all of those terms, and it's so difficult. Now see the kind of visual quality this is providing, and I think this slide is the best one. It has like dissected the human heart, shown what are the parts or what, and you guys wanted quizzes, right? So I did visuals, labeling also done. You guys wanted quizzes, right? See this. So it is given four options. Now I have to identify which is what. Okay, this is another explanation. This is another explanation. Okay, see, path of blood. Can you order how blood moves from body back to lungs? See, these are some quick quizzes given. Final heart check. Which chamber of the heart is responsible for blah blah blah. So everything is there. You wanted quizzes, it is there. You wanted visuals, it is there. You wanted labelings, it is there. Imagine how easy it will be for all the kids and learners who want to study difficult topics, but they don't have that learning capacity to understand quickly. So with the help of this AI, they can learn it for free, or you can teach it for free. Isn't it amazing? How many of you think this AI is mind blowing? Write MB in the chat. I tried one example. This is mind blowing. Wow. Who is this? Makarant. You've already tried one? That's great. Mind blowing, mind blowing, mind blowing. Okay, great, great, great. Now, this is done. Okay, this AI tool is done. Now, are you guys ready to play a game? Who is ready to play a game with me? Yes, I tried and it's real and good explanation. Okay, great. Excellent tool. I know, right? Download option. Which one you want? Okay, you want to download this PPT. So there is this export option. You can either share it from here. So I have logged in. So you can either share it from here, or you can export it, or you can just start teaching from here immediately. Whatever you want to, this has all the options for free. Okay. Now, the game. This is the game, the platform that we are gonna play a game. How many of you have heard about QRepod? How many of you have heard about QRepod? Free tool? Yes, free tool. Ishita, can you repeat? You want me to repeat Chalky? It's very easy. A very easy AI tool. I'll repeat quickly, okay? What I did was I chose a topic, okay? I created a lesson plan. I chose the options that I wanted to do. I clicked the theme and it was done. Very easy tool to use. Now, how many of you heard about QDPod? Can we prepare grade based topics? So, guys, trust me, we are not going to learn one or two AI tools. There's going to be tons of AI tools. So, and every AI tool has some special features. So, I'm going to talk about all the features. Just bear with me for some time, okay? You guys understood Chalky, right? Now, let's come to QRepod, and we are going to play a game with QRepod. So this is the link of QRepod. I'll share the link in the chat with you. Just write QRIPOD QRepod on Google. Log in with your credentials and you can see this dashboard. Here, there is an option of mini lesson plan. Can everyone see there is this option of mini lesson plan? Everyone can see there is this option of lesson plan. Yes, okay. I'll just click on it. Okay. Now you guys tell me. We're gonna play a game. So what topic you would want me to talk about? Here. I talked about human heart for kids. Which topic you want me to choose here? Ishita, please don't ignore. People are getting dropped from the session. Guys, just a minute. Okay. Let me stop this session for now. Where is it? Okay, let me see. Yeah. How many of you are facing issues with the network? I mean, my network is completely fine, okay, but there is some issue with the platform we are on. How many of you are facing issues with the platform? I know it's a new platform, not like Zoom. Anyone who's having any issues with the platform? Because my network is on point, okay, I can see my screen. I just dropped twice. You got dropped from the call? Lag initially I had, now it is fine. Kanchana is saying now it is fine. Mithun is saying yes, too many times getting logged out. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, there is a gap of 5 minutes in between. All right. Okay, guys, just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm checking it with the team. Give me 1 minute. Just have it. Okay, guys, I've gotten a news. So the session is getting shifted to Zoom. Have you guys received the Zoom link? Because I have already received it. Zoom is way better. I know, right? BTNX team, if you're there in the meeting, I have already received a Zoom link. Can you please share it with the learners also so we all can shift to Zoom and peacefully we can complete the session because it was going so well. Suddenly, everyone is facing issues. Okay, wait, I'm sending the Zoom link if I can. Ishita, could you start from start on Zoom? I will try my best to recap everything that I've taught. You guys have time, right? I'll do a quick 10-minute recap of everything we have learned so far. We haven't done much yet, just the explanation and two AI tools. Okay, one AI tool, one we were just starting out with. So it's fine. I'll do a recap of everything. Guys, it's updated in the LMS and I am sharing it in the chat here, okay? Wait. Everyone check the LMS. You must have received the link there. If not, I'm sharing in the chat right here. Joined. Okay, my mic was off. Oh my god. So I was saying that. I'm sorry. So I was saying that I see you all in the Zoom meeting. Okay, I'm dropping this call here.
Recording in progress.
Hi. Hi, are we back? Better now? Everything perfect? So sorry this inconvenience happened. I'll surely talk to B10X team. Okay, I'm sure their intention was not to harm your experience, but technical glitches can happen. I thought I am only left behind. No. Everyone have joined back. I'm so happy. Yes, everyone is joining. Yes. Hopefully this session will continue. Yes, of course. Audio and video both are good now. Okay, great. Yes, maybe they haven't tested that feature properly. I'll definitely talk to the team. I'm so sorry for the inconvenience from the team of B10X. I'll quickly get started, okay? Okay, everyone is saying excited. Let's start. Thank you so much for the cooperation, guide. It truly means a lot to me. I really thought that the session is going to be, maybe they can't continue it or whatsoever. B10X ka shirt kahan se mila? The team did send me a B10X t-shirt. See, now from all the sessions, I will be teaching with this B10X t-shirt. Okay. All right. Let me share my screen now. Okay. My screen is visible, guys. Now no one is dropping the call, right? No one is getting kicked out of the session. I hope so. It's visible. Yes, it's visible. Okay. Anyone wants me to do a quick recap of whatever we have taught? Anyone wants me to start from scratch? Okay. Guys, maybe we can do one thing. I'll quickly recap on the AI tool I learned. I taught you guys, and whatever explanations we did in the start, maybe I can do a quick recap along with the Q&A session towards the end. Will that work for everyone? I'll do the Q&A also, and I'll answer your questions also, and at the same time I'll explain whatever I've taught. Okay? Done? Give me a thumbs up in the chat. Okay, great. Good. Okay, great. I'll quickly start, okay? Yeah. So, yeah. So I'll just share the link of QD pod with everyone in the chat. Anyone logged in into QD pod? Because you have to, okay? We're gonna play a game and I want everyone to participate in this. Create a 15-minute grade 4. Okay, which grade you want me to choose? Or maybe a complex topic I choose this time. Yes, the team have shared the link in the chat. Thank you so much. Grade 9. Maths? Yes, someone said maths. Can we do for maths? Everyone agrees with me. Pin for QDPod. QDPod link already shared in the chat. I'll again share this home screen that I am showing right now. I'll share it in the chat. You guys have to log in with your credentials. You guys don't even have to log in. I will share a QR code. Just wait and watch. For now, you tell me a topic and just wait and watch. Everyone can use QDPod with me. Maths. Okay, everyone is saying maths. Okay. What topic? Give me a simple topic. Okay, I'm very bad at maths. Fractions. Okay, fractions. Everyone knows fractions on maths. topic, fraction, lesson to address the topic. That's all. Then just wait. It will ask a question. Great, let's jump in. One quick follow up. Could you narrow today's fraction lesson in one focus? Identify and represent simple unit fractions, compare two fractions with unlike denominators, add fractions that share the same denominator. I have no idea, I'm choosing the first one because it seems easy. So it is asking me what sort of fractions I want. So ones who are great at maths, this is your domain of expertise, not mine. Okay, so it has prepared the lesson plan already. This took I think 2 minutes, not even that, and the lesson plan is ready. All I got to do is click on generate lesson and then wait. Which one? Okay, the first one only I'll choose. I won't focus much on the theme this time. And let's see. Okay, so the details are getting generated. Okay, and just wait. So everyone is going to participate in this, and I'll tell you exactly how you can do that. Who are doing this along with me? Anyone in the audience doing it along with me? Okay. Please share link again. It's incomplete, not hyperlinked. You don't need the link. You all have your phone. You all have your phone. Quickly scan this QR and you all can participate. The ones who are joining, we are playing a game with QDPod. The game is of maths fractions. Okay, I can see a lot of you are joining already. See, I can see the name, thriller, actor, amazing android, cheering robot. Okay, I'll let few more people join in. Okay, we already have 31 people, 35, 36. Okay, let's start. Yes, this will only work in when you have a camera. So either on iPad, like any tablet, phone or whatsoever. Can you see it in your screen? Can you guys see it in your screen? Yes. Isn't it fun? So I'm the teacher. I'm teaching about fractions in maths. And guess what you can do? You can participate in an activity. Okay? I'll click on start activity. Quickly, you have to complete this activity. So you have to complete this one in 2 minutes. Start, quickly start. The ones who couldn't do it, no problem. The ones who could do it, great. I'll stop the count in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Should I end it? Let me see. Start voting. Okay. End voting. I'll end the voting. Okay. What does it say? Someone is written 2, someone is in 1. I'm waiting for your answer. Even I have no answer to this. I also don't know what is the right answer. But I just wanted to show you guys. Isn't it fun? How many of you thought this is fun? Can we do once more? Can we do it once more? Maybe we can do, this time we can do with AI tools. Let's see who knows the most number of AI tools. Can we do one from scratch? Please share scanner again. Okay, I will share the scanner, but you guys have to quickly join in, okay? I will start again with another lesson plan. I'll share the QReport link also in the chat. Wait. It's just www.qreport.com. No fancy, link is there. Okay. Everyone can see the link in the chat. Give me a thumbs up or a yes. Interactive for small children. Even we can have interaction with this, okay? This time we are gonna how can we log in into this? Just put your Gmail ID and log in. Like there's no fancy details for logging in. Just put your Gmail ID and log in. That's all. I think you will get two options, learner or educator. You choose learner for now and just quickly log in with your Google ID. Okay. Don't do sign up with Google. Put your email ID, you get a OTP, then you log in. Okay? Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Let's start this time. What is the lesson going to be? To address the topics AI tools, AI tools for day-to-day life. Let's take simple AI tools for daily use, okay? So that we all can answer the questions this time. Everyone following me? I'm going slow. Clear till this much? Now it will ask me questions. Identify AI tools that boost personal productivity, demonstrate AI features. I think the first one, identify the tools, is easy. So we all can participate in it. Now it will prepare the lesson plan. Okay, it is done. Let's click on generate lesson. See, the interface is so easy, even someone using it for the very first time can understand. Okay, it is getting generated. After logging in, where we have to start? Guys, remember the home page. You scroll down, you click on mini lessons, and then you can start this lesson plan. Okay, when you come to the home page of QReport, you have to scroll down, come to mini lesson plans, and you have to click on it. You have to give it a topic and then start generating content. The same way I did, you have to follow the same process. Okay. Can we scan? Wait, let the scanner come. It is still generating the content. Let the scanner come, guys. I will show the scanner on the screen for 1 minute. You have to quickly do it along with me, okay? Okay, lesson plan is done. Everyone ready? Attention, guys. Everyone ready? With the phone or whatever device you have to scan it. You have to scan the QR code. Ready? Tell me yes in the chat. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Scan the QR quickly. I will do a countdown of 10. 10, 9, no, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm starting the session on QReport. How can AI streamline personal tasks? So I will teach you how AI can streamline personal tasks, how AI can help in productivity. Okay, now we have Otter and Smart Schedule. You guys have heard about this AI tools? Let's start the activity. There's a Venn diagram given. Let's turn off the music. Okay. There's a Venn diagram given, I believe. Use the Venn diagram on the whiteboard to show your thinking. Compare Otter and Smart Schedule. List one unique benefit each one and one shared trait. I think Smart Schedule is a paid one. Otter is freemium. That's what I know of. Both of them help in writing minutes of the meeting, I believe. Right? So this is the unique feature I can think of right now. Let's end the activity. I'm ending the activity. Okay. Start voting. Now I have to start voting. Why is it showing? Okay. Let me see. Everyone did their votings? Show all. Okay. Okay, guys, see your own Venn diagrams. Yes. Who did what? Which one? Who did this? The first one who did? Okay, this is the one who have cleared the mark. Let's see which one. Nihar is saying me. Okay, Nihar, I think it's you. Anand is also saying me. Okay. Okay, it is taking some time to load. Any which ways. Captain Ishar Chandra is saying me. Okay, Captain. Yogaraj is saying me. It shows me as top 5. Really? Only 3 slides show. There are more slides also here. Yeah, see, so if I close this, there is this one again, new tab. So total 7 slides are there. There is one more activity. You guys want to take this activity or I think we are done. So basically the thing is, I wanted to show you how effective QReport is if you want to play and have fun with learning. Okay. And you can just, it also enhances the creativity and the competitive nature in students or kids or anyone. Like we were also playing it, right? When I was staying 5, 6, 7, you guys all were also doing it very quickly and submitting the answers, right? Did you have fun with QReport? Yeah? You guys understood how to use it? Yes, yes. How many of you think this is very effective and mind-blowing for all the teachers and trainers who want to have fun with learning? How many of you think that? Yes, it is effective, mind-blowing. Tell me, I want everyone to respond. Did you guys like QReport? Was it fun? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, great. Don't understand. What did you, Pinto is saying I did not understand. What did you not understand? Everyone saying, wow, great, okay. Awesome. I couldn't follow. You couldn't follow? You couldn't follow the activity or how to do it. Guys, trust me. When you start using it, of course you can do it. But did you understand how the content was generated? It will reduce the burden for teachers. It will act as an assistant teacher. Absolutely, Fatima, it will act as an assistant teacher. It will be like personal assistant of a teacher to make the lesson plan, the questionnaire, and to make the learning fun for the teachers. Can you do one question again? Still not clear. Okay. Okay, I'll start from scratch. Let me log out from QReport and log in front of you guys. I don't know how to log out. Okay, I'm not able to log out. Can everyone see this screen? Everyone could log in and see this home page. I will only continue if everyone says yes. If anyone says no, I will again start from scratch. Everyone got into this platform? Okay, everyone is saying yes. Scroll down. Guys, scroll down, okay? Beyond the basics. Ravindra is saying no. Okay. Search in Google QDPod AI. Search in Google QDPod AI. Come to the first link here. It will ask you to log in. I have already logged in, so it is not asking me to log in. I will copy the link and share it in the chat once again. Everyone could follow through. Now I will click on mini lessons. Everyone, now I will click on mini lessons 10 to 30 minutes. Okay? Done? You choose a topic. Any topic of your choice you choose. Arey, what is a hard spelling? Any topic of your choice you choose. I will not play the activity once again because I already played twice. There are more and more tons of AI tools to explore. It will start creating the content. This is how the content will be created. Everyone clear? Everyone clear how to make lesson plans in QDPod? Give me a clock it or CC in the chat. Okay, now I'm finally getting yeses. So now I'm relieved that I can move into the next AI tool of the day. Okay. Okay, great. How many of you wants to take a break and just digest everything that we have understood so far and want me to answer your questions? Can make lesson plan for higher grades. Yes, we are going to do that right now. Okay, I'm stopping my screen share. We won't take a long break, just 2-minute break. Now, who have joined the session from the beginning? I've understood everything. And if you have any questions, I am ready to answer your questions. If you want to repeat something, I will repeat. Okay, this session is for you guys to understand how the AI in education is working for everyone. If you have any questions so far, I will answer your question, then only I'll move on to the next AI tips. Hida, are you from Behala? I'll answer to the personal question later. You can text me on LinkedIn. Okay, you guys want my LinkedIn profile? How many of you connected with me on LinkedIn? Let me share my LinkedIn profile link in the chat for you guys. I've shared it. Madam, I'm from West Bengal. I will only take questions related to the session. No personal questions now. How will AI help in school administration? Fatima, I have an AI tool called School AI, and trust me, so many schools all across India are adapting to that AI because it can make everything. Whatever you can think of, that AI tool can make for you. Okay. Can QDPod and Chalky be used for 12th grade? Anyone can use it. Irrespective of the age or grade, everyone can use the AI tools that I'm going to talk about. But trust me, when they make the AI tools, they think of a certain target audience, right? So there are certain AI tools that are specifically targeted for small kids. Like you see Chalky. The name Chalky is so cute, right? Even children love to say Chalky. Then we are coming up with the AI tool called Teachy. So we teach. Someone who teaches is Teachy. So Teachy AI. So these AI tools are designed for catering to the small kids' needs, but there are so many AI tools that I'm going to talk about that are for university graduates, anyone who is learning, right? How many of you think that you watch a very big YouTube video and you wonder, what if this entire YouTube video I don't want to see? What if this could have been turned into a lesson plan? Anyone wondered what happens then? Understood everything, but dropped the call when you were explaining Chalky. Okay, I will explain Chalky again. Very easiest AI tool of the day is Chalky. Is there an issue again, or is it only for me? Issue, I am not sharing my screen. I'm just talking to you guys right now. Till now we did two AI, right? Yes, right. Chalky and one was QDPod. Joined it very late. So far I get this tool is for learning purpose for topic we select along with Q&A. Is it right? Absolutely, Amit. You have already understood it. Notebook LM we use. Even I'm going to talk about Notebook LM. It is one of my favorite tools to use. Yes, the BTNX team have shared the links in the chat of both Talkie and TCA and QReport. Okay, let me reshare my screen and talk about the next AI tool of the day. Okay, this is my LinkedIn profile, guys. If you guys want to connect with me, please do so. I've done a little rebranding of my LinkedIn. So if you guys want to connect with me, please do so. Okay. Next AI tool of the day is Teachy AI. Anyone have heard about Teachy AI? Anyone have heard about Teachy AI? I'm sharing the link in the chat. TEACHY, Teachy AI. That's the name. Anyone have heard about Teachy AI? Okay, so no one heard about Chalky. No one heard about QReport. No one heard about Teachy. Guess how many AI tools you are going to learn today? So many new AI tools, and this one is for everyone. Okay, again, this is a freemium tool. Everyone can use it, and especially this has been used by students and teachers. So for schools, I have a specific different AI tool called School AI. This one is for teachers and learners. Okay, you tell me. So this is a one-stop solution. Someone who wants to maybe make lesson plan or make it personalized for everyone. Okay, there are 40 students in the class. Everyone have different learning abilities. I want to create content plan for everyone. Is it possible for a teacher? No. But with the help of AI, it is 100% possible. What else? What can we talk about from here? Can we make a lesson plan, or do you want something else? We can play worksheets also. We can make fun games also from here. What do you want to do? Tell me. Whatever you guys say. We can do assessment also. We can make question papers from here as well. So it's like a one-stop solution AI. Everything you think of, it's there. Plan making, okay. See, there's an activity sheet. Guys, can we do an activity sheet? I think it will be fun. Yes, and see what we can do from activity sheet. Okay, I'm clicking on, so it's under lesson plan. I'm clicking on activity sheet. Which topic you want me to choose? Which topic you want me to choose? Here it is chemistry. Do tell me which topic you would want me to choose. Biology, someone who was preparing for NEET, I think, or chemistry, biochemistry. Okay, let's do with chemistry only. So they have till 12 and then directly to university level. Can we do university level, which is like the highest level for any chemistry learner? Yeah, Priya is saying yes. Okay, Priya. Topic. I was also bad at chemistry. What topic you want? Can we do periodic table? I think this is a nightmare for all chemistry people to remember periodic table. No? Yes, everyone is saying yes. I know, right? Periodic table. Okay, let's see. I'm very excited to see what content we'll get. Okay, it is asking for context. Context. I think I want the full table. Okay. Full table with visuals and fun activity. This is done. Now I'll click on generate. Clear till this much? So I can write whatever context I want. I can write the language of the material, also the topic, the subject, the class that I want to, and then click on generate. Can I get a CC in the chat? Clear till this much? Can I click on generate and create the lesson plan, the activity? Everyone is saying yes. Okay. I hope I'm going slow. Now it is making the content. What happened? Credits are over. Yeah, I think so. Credits are over. Okay, let me just change my Gmail. Okay. Let me change my Gmail and log in from another Gmail ID. See, I told you this is a freemium tool because this is such a great tool, but I have free versions also. So there's two more AI tool exactly same as Teachy AI that will do the same work for free. But I wanted to show you guys more and more examples. That's why I thought I'll show Teachy also. What is this? Calendar. Okay, so it has calendar also. Someone who wants to play games, play calendars, it has everything. It has worksheets as well. You guys want to see the free version of Teachy? Yes, anyone wants to have a free version. So I have made few other lessons plans. It was my other account. You guys want to see the free version of Teachy? There is two more options that I have for everyone. So there's Teachy AI, Chalky AI, sorry, School AI, and Khan Miko AI. Anyone have heard about Khan Miko AI? This is the AI. You know Khan sir from Khan Academy? You guys know Khan sir from Khan Academy? This is the AI dashboard that Khan Academy has created for all teachers. That's a free tool. I've shared the link in the chat. So what were we doing? We were doing activity, right? See this AI tool. Same like Teachy, right? We can make lesson plans, we can make newsletters, question papers, activities, everything from here. See multiple choice quizzes also. Can we do a multiple choice quiz? What topic? So we were doing chemistry, right? Let's take for chemistry only. Grade. Which grade do we want? College. Okay, college. Answer choices. How many choices? 4 choices. Number of questions. How many? I think 10 is good to go. So the topic is introduction to chemistry. Grade level is college. How many choices do I get? 4 choices. How many questions? 10. Or let's choose 5 for now. Can I click on start and create the multiple choice quiz? Okay, let's click on start. Okay, can everyone see in the screen? According to the video, what is the essence of chemistry? So what does this periodic table of elements show? It has given a video. I'll maybe click on this. Yes, see there is a video attached. So I can watch the video. Then I can answer the questions. And I can export this for free as well. See, documents, PDF, whatever I want to. Isn't this AI great? And it has given me the answer key also. See, so it has a video attached to the topic. It has all the quizzes and it also has the answer key. How many of you think this is a very useful tool? Superb, right? Praveen is saying superb. See, this is the video, okay? Science grade 9 chemistry. If I click on this, maybe I can see the video also. So I clicked on the video. Let's see if I can see the video. Everyone ready? Okay. See, there is the video.
Here's some pictures. What most people associate when they think of chemistry. They think of scientists working on a
Okay, we won't watch the whole video. Come on, guys. But how many of you think this is mind blowing? I just asked for introduction in chemistry topic and I wanted quizzes out of it. Okay, I chose 5 quizzes for now. It took me to a video of the curriculum that I wanted. It gave me the questions, the quizzes, and the answer key as well. Imagine how much easy it will be for a student to practice questions, teacher to make questions, or a school to even make a question bank for the teachers. And it's a free tool, okay? Khan Academy, our very own AI tool made by someone from India by Khan Academy Khan sir. It's called Khan Migo. It's an AI that can do everything for you. Okay? All right, great. You guys want to try out something else from Khan Migo or hop into the Neo AI tool for the day? Okay, there's maths NCRT. Maths for class 9. New tool, next tool, okay. Okay, see the ones who wanted, there is this maths NCRT for everyone. There's this quizzes, this content and everything. Okay, so it's a great tool. Now let's come to one of my favorite tools for any teacher. It's called Diffit AI. Most famous AI tool for teachers right now. Everyone is talking about Diffit. Whichever teacher at school I talk to and I ask them, guys, are you using some AI? They told me, Ishita, we are exploring Diffit right now. Anyway, I heard the name. Kunal is saying, yeah, I heard the name. But have you used it? So I'll just log in, okay? I'm logging in front of you guys to show that I will be using the free version. Because this, so you guys saw, right? I chose that I want to use the free version of Diffit and I just logged in front of you guys. Okay? Now I'll share the link in the chat as well. Share. No, कोई यूज नहीं करता. मेरा course field is different. Okay, is there some tool for human anatomy? Priyanka, you want human anatomy? This is the tool for you. Diffit is Chat GPT for teachers, students, learners. Repeat after me in the chat. Diffit AI is Chat GPT for education industry. Okay? Write it down in the chat so you guys remember. Diffit is the Chat GPT for education industry. Everyone remember Diffit. It's going to be the most famous AI tool in the coming time. Ready, everyone? Which tool for commerce stream? Guys, whatever tool I am talking about, commerce, science, maths, physics, chemistry, bio, Hindi, Bengali, robotics, AI, coding, Python, Java, whatever topic you guys want the lesson plan it will make the content for you. Okay? So tell me, give me a hard topic for like advanced learners that I can make from Diffit. Give me a hard topic. Agenetic AI. Yes, this is what I was talking about. Integral calculus. Yes, keep them coming. Let's see which is the difficult one. Rocket design. Okay. RAG, advanced. Okay, I heard something like chalky in the session in the beginning. Prabha, you couldn't understand chalky? I think many of you missed chalky. Okay, chalky is in demand. I will explain chalky once more. No worries. Okay, let's understand the AI tool in the present. I'll do all the recap of the AI tools towards the end of the session. Okay. How does this AI tool work? Yes, Kevin, I'm just gonna show you how this will work. Let me just take one topic for everyone. Okay, thank you. I missed it. No problem, Prabha. It's fine. Does BTNX also use Diffit? We'll have to ask the team of BTNX. So BTNX is not a human, right? It's a company. So maybe many people, many learners who are making lesson plans and content for the audience, they can use Diffit for that as well. So let's take a AI topic, guys. So maybe I have no idea about agenetic AI, okay? And I want to understand agenetic AI and practice questions. So I want a full-fledged worksheet for me. I want to understand the topics, I want to practice, I want to do quizzes, I want to do questionnaires, and I want to do everything. Is everyone ready? Give me. Okay. Detailed topic of agenetic AI. Okay. Detailed topic of agenetic AI, fundamental and key concepts. Worksheet with case study. Can we do worksheet with case study? I think it will be helpful. So we'll get to know the AI, agenetic AIs also, and we'll do case studies also. Okay, let's do it. See, it is the AI only suggesting me how should I make it more customized. Can you guys see? It's not like I am thinking. It's there in the screen. So it is again asking me, do I want autonomous agents? Do I want analysis questions, a collaborative inquiry, or for advanced learners? I think I want it for advanced learners. We all are advanced learners of AI here. So let's take one for advanced learners. In STEM path, do I want a high inquiry? I think in STEM pathways. Is this much done? I'm not making it more detailed. Is this much okay? This much okay? Can I go and make the content now? Yeah? Okay, great. Okay, I have to log in. Wait, let me copy it or else I have to again type it. You guys also do it along with me, okay? Let me just log in. Okay. Oh, it was already there. Okay. Any which ways, let's start. How many of you doing it along with me? Tell me in the chats, I want to know. So it is asking me questions. Do I want to be focused on technical architect and loopholes, real life? I think real life engineering problems. Very good. So it will ask me like specialized questions. What sort of questions I want? Designing agentic workflows. Yes. Efficiency and cost. Guys, tell me which one do you want? You want to analyze the failures, you want to design the workflow, or you want to see which was is most cost effective? Which one do you want? Second one, yeah, everyone says second one. Even I feel second one is helpful. How will you use this workflow design worksheet in a lesson? How will I use it? Good question. Guided practice during instruction, independent advanced project, summative unit assessment. I think independent advanced project. Okay, so do I want like a 40-minute thing? Do I want a 2-3 days or a week-long project? I think for now, 45 to 60 minutes is fine. Can you see how efficient Diffit is? I think whatever AI tools we learned so far, Diffit will be one of your favorite AI tools to use. So it is making the content. Okay. In the meanwhile, it is making the content. Oh, it is done. Guys, I thought that in the meanwhile, it is making the content. I will teach you about Chalky, but if it is so efficient, it did complete everything within blink of an eye. So yeah, that is Diffit for you. Introduction to Agenetic AI Workflow. Can you all see? Wait, let me zoom in. Yeah. Can you all see chatbot workflow, LMM interactions, orchestrations, agent systems, the details of agenetic AI? Can you see? Explain the difference between chatbot and agenetic workflow. Someone who wants to practice topics. See, there is one concept, so harness engineering. Which mechanism do they use? Planner agent, okay. There is RAG. Many of you were asking me of RAG, right? See, there is a agentic AI RAG case study for pharmaceutical industry. So there's a picture also given here with all the details of the case study. So the Prince multi-agent architecture and engineering functions. So many questions to practice from, so many topics to practice from. This is never ending. It's a 50 to 60 minute of question bank. How many of you think this AI tool is amazing? Yes. Very, very amazing. This is, I think, it's going to be one of your favorite AI tools to use. What if you want the answers also? I'll ask if it give answer key. Amazing content and stunning for now. I know, right? So you guys, whatever you are guys are learning from B10X, maybe you can practice also from DFID. So you guys, maybe, okay, if you don't want full-fledged question answer, you want some quizzes to remember the AI tools, you can use DFID for that. See, I just asked give answer key to the DFID AI. And it whatever questions it asked me, it gave me answers for everything. See, this is the answer key. Answer key workflow design project. All the answers are given. Okay, now I want MB in the chat. Everyone, how did you like DFID? Yes, everyone is saying yes, yes, yes. Okay, great, great, great. MB. So everyone's favorite is DFID for now. How reliable this is? How reliable is this? Does this hallucinate as well? It does not. If it is like ChatGPT, it's very efficient. No technical glitches will come. Content is to the point according to the current market standards, but because it analyzes with whatever content it is already there. It doesn't make content of its own, like ChatGPT. It doesn't have a brain of its own. Whatever data is already there in the market, it uses that like a generative AI. Yes, these are generating advanced level physics numericals. Oh, Rohit, are you trying it yourself? Is it doing it the advanced level physics numericals for you? That's awesome, great. No one can defeat. Yeah, no one can defeat. Is this having web functionality also? Yes, it has all the features that any AI tool has. It has everything. You just ask DFID, it will give it to you. Okay, we have talked a lot about DFID. DFID is not paying me to advertise for it. We'll move to the new AI tool. Okay. And this is similar to the AI tool that we used called Teachy and Khanmigo. This is called School AI. Someone told me in the start of the session that Ishita, I teach specially able children. Right? Who was there who told me I teach special kids? Yes? Okay. This is the new AI tool called School AI. So this is the AI tool designed for schools. Okay, this is the AI tool designed for schools. I'm sharing the link in the chat, okay? Now, what can school AI do for me? It can make lesson plan, worksheet, multiple quizzes, Rubik's Cube, text leveler, IEP goals. Can anyone tell me what is IEP? What is IEP? Any idea? No? Okay. IEP full form is individualized. I don't know about IEP, but I've heard about it. Okay. IEP is Individualized Education Program. What do I mean by that? What is Individualized Education Program? Yes? Homeschooling? Personalized education program for everyone? Okay. Individually. Okay. Can you all see this one? Generate an individualized education plan. So what it does is, for anyone who has some difficulty in learning, maybe you guys have watched Tare Zameen Par? Yeah? What was that kid Ishan Avasthi having? He was very intelligent kid, very talented, but he was having problem in learning. Give me some other examples. So there is, I mean, but part two also. So they had Down syndrome, right? Down syndrome, yes. So they also had a problem in understanding things. Dyslexia, yes. That kid had dyslexia. Give me other examples. This kind of movies. I think there was one movie of Salman Khan also. Don't remember the name. Yeah, even autism. Or maybe someone like me who has ADHD and has problem in focusing on topics. It can be anything, okay? Hitchki, yes, right, Hitchki. So they were not like specially able kids, but those kids, they had problem with their self-confidence, right? And even the teacher, she did not have an intellect problem. She had a speech problem. What was it? Tourette syndrome. Yes, right. So this IEP program is designed for people who have some special behaviors. Okay. Tell me behaviors. You guys said dyslexia. I'll choose dyslexia. Give me some more examples. Maybe ADHD, like me. Anyone else has any problem? Hyperactive. Oh yes, kids are even like happens with adults also. They're hyperactive. What else? ASD. What's that? I don't know what's ASD. Autism. Okay. All right. Narcissistic. I think that has nothing to do with education. I think that's a behavioral problem. Which grade? So what grades do they have? Post-secondary and post-secondary and grade 13. Okay. So these are learning disabilities. If I want any standards, I can write that. School AI is designed by not just one AI tool. It has catered to all the national and international bodies that are concerned of education of anyone. And this school AI was designed by those bodies, those institutions. The content it will give is 100% accurate to that. You can see that. I don't know all the full form of all the bodies, but you can see here in the screen, see school ready, and there are 4 to 5 certifications this tool has got. So I'll click on create and we'll wait for the content to be created. Okay, yeah, see here, individualized education. Oh, the full form is also given. Individualized education program, IEP, working draft. Name of the student, grade, age, disability. Okay, so it's asking me what disability is there for the student. So I can write the name. So maybe I am a teacher. Okay, I teach specially abled kids. I can write that. Present levels of academic achievement and functional performance. FLAP. The children's strength, academic performance, functional performance. What are the impact? What measures should be taken for annual goals? What progress should it be measured? The services and supports, assessments and recommendations for the schools. So if you are a school, you have gotten an admission of a child who is dyslexic. The school can prepare this excellent plan to help the child grow along with the other kids. Isn't it amazing? This is something new, right, for everyone. Even when I was exploring this concept, it was very new for me. And this AI tools is doing such a great job in catering to everyone. Right? Maybe let's try something else. So it has one excellent feature of turning any boring topic into fun jokes. Can we try this one? See jokes here. Can we try this one? Is it for only schools or for higher studies? Anyone, for anyone. So you saw there was option till grade 12 and then for post-secondary and other, right? So it is for everyone. Can I do one with jokes? Give me a boring topic that I can turn into jokes. Give me a boring topic. Guys, come on, give me a boring topic. Girish is saying agentic AI. I think agentic AI is very fun topic. Current affairs, okay. Planned classification. Give me something advanced. Maybe can we do stock market? Stock market is very scary topic, at least for me. I am very bad at maths and numbers. So it's very scary for me. Can we do with stock market? Yes, Shubhi is saying stock market. Quantum physics. Okay, we'll take two, okay? Quantum physics also we will take, and we'll take one for stock market also. Which grade do I want? Other. I will click on other because I don't want to select which grade. Standards. I can attach any standards if I want to attach files here. Okay, so there are standards here I can attach. If not, then I'll keep it right away. I'll click on create. Are we ready to have some fun jokes on stock market? So, teacher says, why did stock market go to school? Ask me why. Write in the chat, why did stock market go to school? Because it wanted to improve its shares of knowledge. Okay. Second one, why don't stocks ever get lost? Because they always follow the market trends. That's why they don't get lost. So it's a fun way of learning with jokes. Very stupid jokes, but it is fun for the children to learn. Okay, or anyone who thinks this is very scary, because for me this topic is very scary. Third one, what did the stock say to the anxious investor? Don't worry, I'll bounce back. I'm just experiencing a little market correction. Okay. So checks do bounce back, right? So it said, don't worry, I will bounce back. I'm just experiencing little market correction. Great, no? And you can even export it. Either in a Google Classroom document, Word or PDF, everything for free. You guys wanted to do what for quantum physics, right? Let's do for quantum physics. Which grade do I want? Post-secondary I'll choose, and grade 13. Let's click on create. Are we ready? Okay, it has already given me. Why don't the quantum physicists refuse to date the classic physicists? Because they can't agree to their position on their momentum. Okay. Third one, why did quantum physicists so bad at relationships? Because when they find something they like, they get too excited and lose all certainty. I have no idea about quantum physics, but I think this is relevant that when maybe two particles or two concepts match, they get too excited and they lose the certainty. Oh yes, right. So in physics, when we used to teach topics, we used to say, right, that these cases are probable when all the other cases are certain or when they're fixed, right? And that doesn't work for quantum physics. So this is jokes with knowledge. Okay. You guys want to try something else? Anything else? There is story word problem, study material structures, gut brain axis, should we say. Yes, you can try out different topics from here. You can make class letters, you can make syllabus also, full-fledged course you can create from here, okay? You can make task performance, agenda, everything. What else you guys want to try? Tell me, I'll do that. What else you guys want to try? Is this AI free 100%, Maddie? Rachit is saying quiz. It has been wonderful session. Thank you for sharing. Oh, thank you so much, Yogita Ben Yogita. Okay, hi Yogita. Thank you so much. What is BIP? See, full form is given. Behavioral Intervention Plan. So I think, so someone is saying narcissist, right? So maybe this has something to do with behaviors. So for like some problem the children have with the behavior, that they are very rude, they don't listen to teachers or something like that, or they have the problem with understanding concept, maybe this is for them, okay? For now, let's stick to maybe something story word problems. Guys, I've tried it. This is actually fun. So it will convert any problem into a story. Give me a topic. Give me a topic of like difficult topic for like economics or some difficult topic. Give me one difficult topic. I'll make a story out of it. DNA. Okay, DNA. Story topic. How do you want the story of DNA to be? Newton's law of gravitation. Okay. I think DNA is a very hard topic to give to an AI, so we'll stick to DNA for now. Interactive. No, like the how the story you want to be. So I did make a story on pizza. Maybe we can do a story on maybe going on a trip. Can we do going on a trip? Fatima saying burger. No, not food stories. Okay, let's try. Let's do yeah. Let's try with going on a trip. See, DNA has nothing to do with nothing to do with going to a trip. But let's see what it gives us. So we'll again choose post-secondary and grade 13 for advanced level. How many questions do I want? I think for now, 5 questions are good. Let's click on create. Excited everyone? Tell me yes in the chat. Excited everyone? My favorite AI tool is still left, okay? There is one AI, it's a Chrome extension and it's life-changing for teachers, students, or for me also. Okay, story for DNA, concepts on a trip, packing for the research trip. Ishita is, so knows my name, okay? Ishita is preparing to attend an international genetics conference. She wants to bring DNA extraction kits for the workshop, blah, blah, blah. So it has given a whole story. How many DNA extraction kits should Ishita pack to ensure it has enough for all demonstrations? Some airport security with DNA. At the airport, Ishita is questioned by security for liquid buffers. Okay. Some with lost luggage. DNA barcoding on the go. Cross-border DNA regulations. See? Isn't it amazing? So it's giving me stories in the form of concepts and then asking me questions out of it. Right? Isn't it great? And you can even download it from here. So just click on export. You can download a Microsoft Word, Google document or a PDF as well. Okay, so this was school AI for you. Now I have a very special tool for everyone, which is called Question Wall. But, before I begin with any more AI tool, is this much clear with everyone? Are we having fun with learnings? The The motto that we had towards the start of the session, that we are going to make learning fun with the help of AI tools. Could we achieve that? Okay, will it be useful for thesis? 100%. As I said, anyone can use the AI tools irrespective of what level of studies you are into. Plagiarism, if you're making content out of it, then you don't need to worry about plagiarism because you're not making books, right? You're making content lesson plan for kids, for yourself, for students, your learners, or even you are a learner yourself. You're making content for them. Okay? So don't worry about the plagiarism also. Now. Guys, do you remember I told you that what if you're watching a YouTube video and you want, Ishita, I don't want to watch the full YouTube video. I want to get the content out of it. You guys want that? Are you guys ready to see that? With the help of this AI tool, it's not 100% free, it's premium, but you can use this feature for free. I have used Whisper AI. Try to use Question Wall, it's better. I've already shared the link in the chat, I believe. If not, I'll share once again. Okay, I haven't. Wait, I'm sharing. I'm sharing the link of Question Wall in the chat. Yes, shared. Okay, the team has also shared, even I have shared. Let's see. Are you guys excited? I want reply from everyone. Are you guys excited to see this? All of you there in the session, give me a big yes. Give me a big yes. Okay, great. I can see a lot of yeses in the chat. Till now, which one was your favorite AI tool? Diffit, School AI, Khanmigo. Okay, yes, even Khanmigo. I really love Khanmigo. Diffit and School AI. Okay, Praveen. Chalky, Kavya saying Chalky. Finally, we have a fan of Chalky also. Sunny saying Diffit. Indian syllabus Khanmigo. Okay, great. Diffit. Okay. Okay, great. So everyone come on question well and click on interactive video quiz. Okay. See the third option here, interactive video quiz. Click on this. You see the YouTube link it is asking. Go to YouTube. Okay, let me go to YouTube. And let me get a video, okay? You guys also try it out along with me. As I'm using the free version, if you guys want to use it, you can. Okay, what topic to choose? Maybe AI in education only, the one that we are learning, or something else. Let's take some difficult topic. Give me a topic to choose from, some difficult topic. Give me a difficult topic. AI in marketing. Okay. Maybe you are a marketing person. You want to see AI in marketing. Okay. I'll click on go and see. The first video that I can see. Okay, I can see there's a TED talk of 10 minutes and I really think it will be helpful for me. So I click on share, I click on the URL and I click on copy and I copy it. Then I go to question well. Remember we had to paste it here. So I will paste it here. Do you want multiple choice quizzes? Do you want short quizzes? I think multiple choice is fine. How many questions do I want? I think 5 questions are 5 for now. Which grade do you want? Graduate. Okay, so we are graduates here. If in case not, you can choose the reading level. Are we ready? Can I click on generate questions? Go ahead. Okay. I'll click on generate. Let's see. Let's wait for it to generate the content because it is reading a 10-minute YouTube video for us. These AI tools are so fun. It makes the work so easy. I wish we had these AI tools when we were children. Okay. What will happen to marketing in the age of AI? What was the initial promise to word processor and spreadsheets 30 years ago? The company wants to grow left AI brain advantage. Which action should I take? Guys, can you see from which section this video was? It has highlighted that. It has given me a full-fledged quiz that I can modify. I chose 5 questions. That's why it gave me 5 questions. If I would have chosen 10 questions, it would have given me that. If I don't want comprehension, I want vocabulary. I click on vocabulary here. It says productivity, generative AI, marketing, analytics, innovation, content overload, divergence, reskill, predictive AI ecosystem. So many words. Discussion. So these are the 6 topics of discussion from this YouTube video. So now you don't need to watch long and long YouTube videos. Just click on any YouTube video you want to choose, come to question well, copy paste the link and you get the full-fledged details from it. You want a MCQ, get that. You want to do discussions, you get that. You want to learn vocabulary, you get that. Will it be useful for all the learners? Yes? It's asking for a retake. Okay, feature is not available, it's fine. So you can modify with AI, you can edit it, you can type out which is right, which is wrong. And this is question well for you. Did you like this AI tool? It has a lot of features, but I think this feature is helpful in question well. So I'm giving you an option. I'm giving you a bunch of AI tools to choose from. Now it's on you. You decide which one you want to choose. But it is my duty as an AI trainer to give you all the options that exist for AI in education sector. Okay? All right. Is this free? Maddie, this is not 100% free, but I am using the free version. Okay, and it will make content using YouTube videos for free of cost. So I'm using the free version. Okay. Mind-blowing tool. Absolutely great tool. Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Great AI tool. Thank you, Ishita. You're most welcome. Okay, great. I think everyone loved question well, right? What all is addition available in the paid version? In paid version, if you want to see paid version, I will not suggest you to take because Diffit AI is there. For any problem you are stuck with any AI tool, come to Diffit. It has a solution for free of cost. Right? So I will not suggest you to take the Diffit one. The ones who were asking me, Ishita, it's not available in India. So you see this America flag option, it is just American English. Okay. So if I want to change this, it has what English I want, not about the country. Anyone from any country can use this AI tool. Okay. Now, I am still yet to done with my favorite AI tool, which is Brisk Teaching. Anyone have heard about Brisk Teaching? Yes, the team has already shared the link. Thank you so much, team, for the prompt response. Anyone have heard about Brisk Teaching? No? Okay, guys, tell me how many AI tools did you guys learn today? As I promised, not one, not two. How many AI tools did you guys learn today? 8, 9? And there are so many more. There's Notebook LM, there is ChatGPT if you want to learn something, there is Manas AI, there's Claude. There's so many AI tools that exist in the market, free, freemium, but most of them people already know about. You want to make PPT, go to Gamma, but no one knows about Chalky, and it's such a great tool, right? Everyone wants to have some question, they go to ChatGPT. No one knows about Diffit AI, and people should use it. Everyone keeps wondering how to break down complex topics into simple manner. No one is using School AI, Khan Miko AI, no one is using Question Well. So these are AI tools designed specifically for people who want to work in the education sector, who want to learn something, teach something, and help. Right? Now, Brisk Teaching, it's a free AI Chrome browser. You know what's that? I will surely try Chalky tonight itself. Oh wow, Rohit, great. So I will show Chalky once more for the ones who couldn't understand it. Don't worry, I remember. Okay, I remember. Anyways, Brisk Teaching is an AI Chrome browser. Now, what do I mean by that? What is a Chrome browser, guys? Sorry, Chrome extension. So, what is a Chrome extension? There is an extension. You click on Add extension, it gets added to your Chrome, right? Everyone go to Brisk Teaching and click on Add to Chrome. You can't do this in your iPad, like Apple devices. Like I am using Mac, so you can do it on a laptop only, or you can do it on your desktop or whatever. You can't do it in your phone because it is a Chrome browser. Okay, it can only be added in a desktop or laptop. Okay, phone and iPad, this will not work. Everyone on the same page with me, have you added it to your Chrome browser? Have you guys added it to your Chrome browser? Come on, guys, tell me in the chats. If you have any question, then also tell me. Whatever it is, I'll surely repeat myself. You want me to repeat? Oh, Vijay has already added it. Okay, great. Pradeep, you couldn't add. You want me to repeat? Kavya is doing it. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Do it. Yeah. Just go to Brisk Teaching on Google. Okay. Some dashboard will open. It will ask to add to Chrome. You have to add to Chrome and you will get this home page. Just signing in. Okay. Did you guys see get this home page that I am on? I know everyone is doing it. Okay. In the meanwhile, let me drink some water. Added. Fatima is saying yes. Okay. Now, guys, let's get started with it. Okay. Added. I have Firefox. It will work. Okay, great. Now, what if you make a content plan, but you don't know whether it is right or wrong? What if you are a teacher, your children, your students and kids, they do some project, you want to check. Previously, the traditional teachers used to take a pen, paper, and check the answer keys. Right now, with the AI edge and with AI coming into the picture, you don't have to sit with a pen and paper and check. Do you know how? Okay. Let me go to my documents, okay? Can you see? So this is my Google Doc. I have made a lesson plan on migration level. Okay, what happened? Let me go to Google. Okay, and my documents. Everyone ready? I'll open this lesson plan on migration, labor, and COVID-19 in Northeast. Okay, this was a lesson plan that I was creating for a school for my company. Okay. Now, can everyone see this small icon in the right hand side corner? Follow my cursor, everyone. Can you see this small icon here? The ones who have added it to your Chrome, you guys can also see it. I click on this. Let the magic begin. I want a feedback, a detailed feedback whether my lesson plan is right or not. I click on give feedback. I type give feedback. I click on go. Wait, what is telling? Wait. Let's click on get feedback, give feedback. Feedback batch targeted. Okay, I think feedback is fine. Let's see. It will give whether it will give me feedback or not. Okay, it is asking me see what's included. If it doesn't work, I will change my Gmail ID, but I will definitely show you guys, okay? If it doesn't work, I'll change my email ID, but I'll definitely show you guys how it works. What else I can show you? Can I show you how to create? Maybe I create a quiz out of this. Let's see. Give quiz. Brisket. Okay, I have to log in here. Let's see, let's log in. You guys have seen me logging in a lot of times in this session now already. Which grade do I want? Ninth grade, okay. It is again asking me to log in. Just give me a minute. I'm stopping the screen share. Just give me a minute. Let me see why am I not able to log into Brisk. Just a minute, okay. You guys can also try it out along with me. Maybe you can do it better than me because I have used Brisk so many times. Maybe I've run out of the free credits. Let's see. Just give me a minute, okay? Okay, it is asking me to log in again. Okay, I'll log in. You guys could log in along with me. It is asking me to log in, register as a teacher or student. As a teacher, I'll just change my Gmail ID maybe. are real business tools for regular. Just a minute. Anyone could use Brisk Teaching. So it's an AI Chrome extension and it gives real-time feedbacks. But again, it has some limitations. So you have to change the email ID. But I have a jugaad for this. You can use temp mails also. You know what are temp mails? Yes. So you can use temp mails also for this Chrome extension. What it does is it gives real-time feedbacks. Okay, let me now reshare my screen and show it to you guys. But see, it is taking some time. Wait. You guys want me to wait and show you Brisk Teaching, or you guys want me to move into some other AI tool? It has generated quiz. I have generated quiz using it. It doesn't take a time at all. It's not working for us too. Kalpesh is not working for you too. We'll wait. Okay. No problem. We'll get into Chalky for now and then I'll come back to Brisk AI. Okay. It's a very fun and useful tool. So basically what it does is it's a Chrome extension. You go to any document, you open it, you ask it to give you feedback and it will give you real-time feedback. That is what it does. I'll just explain Chalky once again and then maybe I get into this AI tool once again towards the end of the session, okay? All right, I'm sharing the link of Chalky. The ones who couldn't understand, please follow through. All right. Give me a topic to make a content plan on in Chalky. So this is Chalky AI. It's a very useful AI for making lesson plan in the form of PPTs. Okay. Give me a topic to choose from in Chalky, the ones who couldn't understand it. Financial management. Okay. First one, I got to know about financial management. Okay. I click on create lesson plan. So which grade you want the lesson plan to be? Adult learners? Okay. 10 slides, I think is fine. What do I want? I want visuals. So every time I create content, I want visuals. Let's click on continue. Learning objectives. Okay, so you click whatever you want to. First two are paid, but the next two are free. So learning objectives, I think, is a good one. So I'll click on learning objectives and click on continue. Now it has some very fun templates for students, okay, because this is catered to for school students. That's why it has some fun templates, but as we're doing it for adults, I think black one is okay. Dark one, see, how's the dark one? Does it have some? Okay, it has for maths also. So financial management, can we do maths, guys? We have chosen the topic of financial management. Can we do maths? Yes, okay. Let's wait for the content to be done. Okay, it is already creating the content I can see in the screen. So we'll wait for some time for it to complete the content. Okay, I can even change the theme. edit the way I want to, like any PPT making tool, but this is specifically designed for learners and for teachers to make lesson plans. Mastering financial management, strategies for personal and professional wealth building. Okay, content is ready. The high cost of waiting, the hook, learning objectives. You see so many goals, essential vocabulary, inflation, liquidity, diversification, the golden rule of 50, 30, 20. I don't know what is this. Okay, so 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Okay, checking the strategy. Okay, so it is asking, so it is explaining a concept and then giving me questions also to practice from. And this is, trust me, favorite tool of all kids. See, assets and liabilities. So financial planning, power of compounding. So it has given me a full arc of compounding also. Then it has a risk and reward. Emergency fund should be invested in stock market to ensure high return. True or false? I think it's false, because I don't think stock market has so much liquidity. If I want money tomorrow, I can't get it from stock market, but maybe I can get it from my bank, from my savings account or whatsoever, right? So yeah, this is sort of questions that it will ask. So nevertheless, this is chalky for you. You can create content lesson plans as many as you want, as many times as you want, and it's great for visuals and learnings. Okay? Everyone now understood chalky. So the ones who liked chalky a lot and the ones who couldn't understand chalky because that there was some glitch towards the start. Is it clear to everyone now? Yes? Can I get a yes in the chat? Okay, awesome, great. I've stopped my screen share. So guys, tell me, out of all the AI tools we understood so far, which one do you like the most and you will use it immediately? Can we remove the chalky watermark? Unfortunately, Chaitra, it can't remove the watermark, but it's okay, right? Like there is no harm in it. Mind blowing. Question well, defeat, brisk teaching. Okay, the ones who could try out brisk teaching, because I told you, right, I will give you a lot of options. Brisk teaching is nothing. It just gives you real-time feedback on any document. It's a Google Chrome extension, but again, it has some limitations. So I don't want to get into some technical glitches and spoil the good session that we had. Okay, but yeah, everyone is saying brisk and defeat is their favorite. Chalky is their favorite. Okay, Khan Miko, okay. Which one is something that you will use immediately after the session only? So can we all do a homework? After today's session, you go to LinkedIn, you create content and lesson plan and you post it on LinkedIn and you show everyone this is the new AI tool that you learned. Promise you will do it for me? Yes? You tag me, okay? Because I don't want to miss out on anyone's LinkedIn post. I'll share my LinkedIn profile link again in the chat. You guys let me know. So whenever you post with any AI tool that you have understood so far and you want to use it for making lesson plans or any sort of content, you tag me. Okay? For all industries covered pure business purpose, Ishita, please. For all industries covered pure business purpose. Yes. Gangadhar, I did not understand your question. Can you please repeat? Priya is asking which tool. Priya, I am telling you. So you use your favorite tool from today's session. You make something, lesson plan, quiz, whatever, or you maybe share your perspective and you post it on LinkedIn. Will you do that for me? How did you like the session so far, today's session? I know there was some glitch, but I'm so glad that that everyone in the audience was so patient. You guys cooperated in the start of the session also. From one platform, we jumped onto our good old Zoom and then we could complete the session successfully. Any real business tools used for regular clients practice? Can you provide pure commercial way, which is open source, free to use? Gangadhar, if you're asking me business content for clients, then you should use PPT making, use Manas AI or use Diffit AI. Okay? Gangadhar, I'm replying to you on the chat only. Use Manas AI. I've replied. Awesome session. Lots of new tools. Thank you, Vishita. Okay. I think we have almost winded up. First time in B10X faced the glitch. I know, right? The glitch that happened for the very first time because we were trying out the new platform, but we'll make sure this time of glitches doesn't happen again. Please share the PPT. Yes, the content plan that I created for everyone. So it will be available in the LMS also, and I will share it in the chat also. Okay. Yeah, I've shared it in the chat. Guys, do fill out the feedback form and then only leave the session, okay? Because your feedback is very valuable. The overwhelming feedback that you are giving me in the chat, please share it in the feedback poll as well, which is there in your screen already. I'm planning to build my home. Can you suggest AI tool to make home plans? Okay, great. Maybe you can use Manas only, or maybe you can use AI like Leonardo. Okay. Which is your favorite teaching AI tool? I use Diffit AI and School AI. That is my favorite, all-time favorite. Thank you. Please share the PPT. Share PPT and all the documents will be shared in the LMS. Guys, do share the feedback poll. 5 is the highest and then goes the rest. 100 on 5. Thank you so much, Yogesh. Thank you. Thank you. Always 5. Thank you, Ravan. Can you tell me which is the best AI tool for creating MCQ? So there it is either School AI or Khanmigo. Okay, TG is not completely free of cost, so I will suggest School AI. Thank you, Priya. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. I give 5 on 5 because the session was amazing. Okay, great. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Great session, great mentor, great energy. Love the session. Looking for more such sessions. Thank you, Ankit. I can see all old names. Okay, great. Is School AI good for university level MCQs? Yes. School, if you want to create MCQs for university level, use Diffit or School AI. Best AI tools in the market. 5 on 5. Thank you, Satyam. Please share PPT. Nitin, it will be shared in the LMS. Session was amazing, full of marks. Full of marks to you, ma'am. Thank you. Love your sessions. Thank you. What is the best for storytelling based on a picture? Storytelling, I think nothing can beat Chalky AI in storytelling. Team, tomorrow we will join with Zoom. Yes, Kevin, I'll make sure I'll share this feedback with the team that they only share Zoom link only.